Hello, good afternoon. Our second time to clean. Dahan-dahan lang po kasi mataas na yung snow. Guys, I cannot see that yung lalakaran natin na step. Oops. Oop. Hi, Dad. Yung mister ko, lilinisin na naman yan kasi may work tayo bukas. There. Good afternoon. Ayan. We are like in winter wonderland. Katatapos lang niya na mag-snow ng malakas, guys, kanina. Snow na talaga. Early this morning is ano siya, sleet. Umuulan siya ng ng ice. Sleet ang tawag nila doon. Now it's snowing. Super soft na siya, guys. Ayan. Super soft. Malalim na rin siya. Pero firm siya kasi earlier is sleet. Kaya matigas. It's hard. Somebody was plowing the road earlier. The snow plows. Ayan, but the snow covered it again. So let's have a look here. Woo! Oh, ayan. Sasakyan. So, we're gonna be careful. Ay, nako. Ang hirap pala maglakad pag malalim ang snow, guys. It's hard to walk. Oop! Malalim na rin. Nako, ang dami namin lilinisin mamaya, guys. Oh. Oops! Yeah, malalim yung lilinisin natin. More like a foot na nga ngayon siguro. 1 foot na rin. Nakakapagod maglakad pala pag malalim yung snow. I told my mom to come out with me pero ayaw niya. It's so cold daw. So it's okay. Ayan